This is single core 50 mm. Output supply in 13.8 kV transformer. Incomer supply. Transformer release 440 volts, used for industrial and home use, motor use, etc. This is voltmeter before take the shutdown and before charge the panel. Use face shield. This is earth ground ohms checking. Minimum 5 ohms. Hi everyone, this is MV termination 13.8 kV and 22 kV and 33 kV. This is inside termination details and control operating system, and 13.8 kV indoor termination, and this is control panel board front side. Like this is inside control wiring, and this is 11 kV termination indoor also. This is 500 aluminum cable, and final look like this, and this is on condition. This is sitting board and relay setting. This is DCS battery 24 volt control in panel.